Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the R.S. Aggarwal exercise 2K from the chapter Polynomials from CBSE class 9. So in this video, first of all, we will be learning the required formula as we used to do. So in order to solve this exercise, we need a formula. It has 19 questions. This exercise has 19 questions. So we will be trying to do it into two videos. So first, in the first video I will be try to solve the question number 1 to 14 for you, and in the next video 15 to 19. Okay, so what is the formula that we need? Here we will be doing a special type of factorization. So I believe we always need to first know the formula, and then we should we should start the questions, and not just memorizing the formula, we must understand how the formula is coming. So the formula is given a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is the factorized form of that? So what I can do, I can simply use my old formulas here. Like for the first two term, I'm just using a plus b whole cube formula. Okay, so that means it is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b plus c cube minus 3abc. Now with this and this, I can again put the formula if I keep them together, right? So I'm keeping them together, a plus b whole cube plus c cube minus 3ab into a plus b minus 3abc. Now for the for a plus b whole cube plus c cube, I can again use the a plus b whole cube formula, but now I will be using the factorized formula for a cube plus b cube. So it's a plus b into a plus b the whole square minus a plus b times c plus c square, and from this much I can take 3ab common, so I'll be left with minus 3ab into a plus b plus c. Now I have actually two terms. This one is the first term and this one is the second term, and I can take a plus b plus c common again. So a plus b plus c common, and I'll be left with this, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. I'll be left with this, which is minus ac minus bc plus c square minus 3ab from here. That means I'm left with a plus b plus c times a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this is the factorized form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, and that is the formula which we need to solve the rest of the 19 questions. Now in this formula, what we can now write as if, this is an interesting thing, that if here a plus b plus c equals 0, okay, if a plus b plus c equals 0, we can say actually a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will be, abc also will be equals to 0, right? Because the a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to a plus b plus c times this stuff. So if a plus b plus c itself 0, obviously the entire thing will become 0, right? Now I can see if a plus b plus c equals to 0, we are getting a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to 0, or we can simply write a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. Okay, this formula has a significant amount of use. Like say I need to find 2 cube plus 4 cube plus minus 6 cube. That's equals to what? Actually, don't need to calculate. I just take these values, that is 2, that is my a plus b plus c. Itself 0. That means if a plus b plus c equals to 0, we know a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be 3ab. So that's equals to 3 times 2 times 4 times minus 6. So that means it's nothing but equals to 144 minus. So it's equals to minus 144. A simple calculation just by using the formula. So we need that stuff or the deduction of this original formula later. Now let's start with the questions. So the first question is given 125 a cube, 125 a cube plus b cube plus 64 c cube minus 60 abc. 125 a cube plus b cube plus 64 c cube minus 60 abc. So first of all, it looks like the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. You must have the feeling that just by looking at the question, you must have the feeling that this question looks like in what formula, or what is the least modification we should do with the given question to have a formula or have a known form. That's what always help you to understand or solve any question. So I can say it's the cube minus 3 of multiplication of all this stuff. So it might go with the a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 is the formula. Okay, so I can write that 125 a cube as 5a the whole cube plus b cube plus 4c the whole cube minus 3 into 5a into b into 4c. So if I consider this is my x, this is my y, and this is my z, then I can this is 3, this is x, this is y, this is z. So I can say it's x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So we know this should be equals to ax plus y plus z times a square, I mean x square, so 25a square, b square, 16c square, minus ab, so 5ab, bc, ca, 5 into so 20 ac. Okay, so that's the factorized form of the first question. Now the second question, a cube plus 8b cube plus 64c cube, a cube 8b cube 64c cube minus 24 abc. A cube plus b cube plus 64c cube minus 24 abc. Now in the same way we will be converting it into the standard form so that we can use the formula. So we can see now it's the standard form. So it will be equals to a plus 2b plus 4c times a square 4b square 16c square 24 abc. Question number 3, 1 plus b cube 8c cube 6bc. We can write it as 1 cube b cube 2c whole cube 3 into 1 into b into 2c. So it's 1 plus b plus 2c times 1 plus b square plus 4c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay. Obviously, I have done this 24 ABC wrong, so I must rectify that. This will become AB, so minus 2AB minus BC, so 8BC minus 4AC. Okay, so that's the question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is given 216 plus 27b cube 8c cube 108 BC. So 216 is nothing but the cube of 6. 27b cube, so 3b whole cube 2c whole cube 3 into 6 into 3b into 2c 6 plus 3b plus 2c 36 9b square 4c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Question number 5. 27a cube minus b cube plus 8c cube and then plus 18 ABC plus 18 ABC. Okay, now this is important. Why? Because we can see there are few contradiction with the standard formula. This should not be there and this should not be there. That means it should be positive and that should be negative in order to use the formula, right? So that means we need to do some magic to convert it into standard form. So 3a whole cube plus of minus b whole cube plus of 2c whole cube. We need minus, so we are keeping it as minus 3a times minus b times 2c. Now if you look at carefully, this inter stuff, the actual sign will become actually positive. So we actually not changing it, we are just modifying it. Even this also will become negative, right? So we are not changing the negative sign, but we are writing it a modified way so that we can use the formula. So it will become 3a minus b plus 2c times 9a square plus b square 4c square minus ab, so 3a into minus b, so 3ab plus 2bc minus 6ac. That's the question number 5. Now the question number 6, which is given 8a cube plus 125 b cube minus 64 c cube plus 120 abc. So we will be doing it in the same way. It's 2a whole cube 5b whole cube plus of minus 4c whole cube 3 into 2a into 5b into minus 4c. So 2a 5b minus 4c times 4a square 25b square 16c square minus ab. So 2a into 5b. So 10ab bc. So plus 5b into minus 4c 20 BC, so plus 20 BC and plus 8 AC. So that's the question number 6. Now question number 7. 8 minus 27b cube minus 343 c cube minus 126 abc 2 cube minus 3b cube minus 7c cube minus 3 into 2 into minus 3b into minus 7c. That means 2 minus 3b minus 7c, 4 9b square 49c square plus 6b minus 21bc plus 14c. That's the question number C. Question number 8. 125 minus 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 90xy. So 5 minus 2x whole cube minus 3y whole cube minus 3 into 5 into minus 2x minus 3y. That will give you 5 minus 2x minus 3y times 25 4x square 9y square, then ab minus ab, so plus 10x minus 6xy, then plus 15y. That's the question number 8. The question number 9 is given 2 root 2 a cube, okay, 2 root 2 a cube plus 16 root 2 b cube plus c cube minus 12 abc. Okay, let's do that. 2 root 2 a cube, right? So we can write it as 2 root 2 means what? Root 2 into root 2 into root 2, because 2 means this one is 2, so 2 means root 2 into root 2 and one other root 2 is there, so we can enter this thing can be written as 2 root 2a the whole cube, then 16 root 2 b cube. Okay, so 16 root 2 b cube can be written as 2 root 2b the whole cube. If I do 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 times 2 root 2, we can see 2 2 2 8, root 2 into root 2 2, one other root 2 will be left, so 16 root 2. So it can be written as 2 root 2 b cube. Then c cube minus 3 into root 2a 2 root 2b times c. We must check whether we are getting the b or not. So 6 to the 12. Yeah, we are getting 12. So that means root 2a plus 2 root 2b plus c times a square. So obviously 2a square. 4 to the 8b square plus c square minus ab. So 2 root 2 and that, so 2 into 2 4ab minus 4ab minus bc b into c, so minus 2 root 2 bc minus ac root 2 ac. So that's the question number 9. Let's do question number 10. X cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64. So obviously 64 need to be bring back here. So x cube plus y cube plus 64 minus. So this is the type of question when the questionnaire or the books want you to be confused. But our motto is not to confuse with the question. Other than that, we always try to solve it. We always try to understand it. Okay. So if your understanding is good, you will not get confused with such type of question. 11th one, a minus b whole cube, b minus c whole cube. So that means a cube plus b cube plus c cube, c minus a whole cube. Okay, so in that case, we can see there is, if I consider that much as x cube and y cube, so we can write x cube plus y cube plus z cube. I can see there is no 3 ABC part, right? So how actually we can solve it? So I told you that there is one other form or one other formula which we might need to use. So that's what we'll be using here. That if a plus b plus c equals to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will become a cube plus b cube plus c cube will become 3abc. Right? We have learned that if say x plus y plus z 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3abc. Right? Okay. So we will consider, let a minus b equals to x, b minus c equals to y, and c minus a equals to z. Then x plus y plus z, we must check if it is coming out to be 0 or not. So a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a, entire thing will become 0. So as I get x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will become 3xyz, or a minus b whole cube, b minus c whole cube, c minus a whole cube will become 3, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Okay, the 12th one. So that's the answer. It's simple. We just need to be focused. 3a minus 2b whole cube, 2b minus 5c whole cube, 5c minus 3a the whole cube. So in the same way, let 3a minus 2b as x, 2a minus 5c as y, 5c minus 3 as z. So we can see x plus y plus z equals to 0. Obviously they will get cancelled, it will give you 0. It means 3a minus 2b, 2b minus 5c, 5c minus 3a the whole cube is equals to 3 times 3a minus 2b, 2b minus 5c, 5c minus 3a. So that's the answer. 13th one, a cube b minus c whole cube, b cube c minus a whole cube, c cube a minus b whole cube. Okay, so we can actually write it as ab minus ac whole cube, bc minus ab whole cube, ac minus bc whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So that means I have to take let ab minus ac is equals to x, bc minus ab equals to y, ac minus bc equals to z, and we can see that x plus y plus z equals to 0. Then a cube into b, this plus b in b cube into c minus a, this c cube into a minus b whole cube equals to 3 abc b minus c, c minus a, and a minus b. So we just need to multiply all of this with 3. Okay, so that's the 13th one, the last one of this video, the part 1. Next video we will be solving in the 15 to 19 question. So again in the same way, it's given 5a minus 7b. Where is it? Is 5a minus 7b whole cube, 9c minus 5a whole cube, 7b minus 9c whole cube. Okay, so we will write let 5a minus 7b equals to x, 9c minus 5a equals to y, 7b minus 9c equals to z. And then we can see x plus y plus z equals to 0. So obviously 5a minus 7b whole cube, 9c minus 5a whole cube, 7b minus 9c whole cube is equals to 3 into 5a minus 7b, 9c minus 5a, 7b minus 9c. That's the answer. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video in which we will be solving the 15th to 19th question. And then in the next video I also will give you, at the end of the video I will share something very important and I think that's something very important and very heart touching thing that I will share with you. One of my regular student in YouTube has posted that comment. I will share that with you. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for sharing, subscribing and liking the videos. Hope these videos are helpful for you. Thank you so much.